Yeah. Okay, example, I'm gonna give you if a stranger talk to you, Joden. Joden, I have a balloon.
Mommy.
No, example, I'm a stranger. I'm not your mommy. Joden, I have a balloon. I have chocolate.
No balloon. No, I have a soda.
I have a popcorn. It's so yummy.
Wow.
Can you get it?
No.
Get the chocolate.
No.
Why? You don't know me? What's your name?
Here's no chocolate, Mommy. No, I'm not chocolate.
What's your name?
There's no chocolate.
But if I have chocolate and I'm not your mommy, will you get it?
No.
Because
It's not.
okay, you Jolros, your turn. Example, I'm not your imagine that I'm not your mommy.
No.
No, I'm a stranger to you, okay? Jolros, I have balloon. You like it?
No.
I have a chocolate.
Why? Say no.
I have a popcorn.
No, Mommy.
Wow. Why?
Mommy. You say no.
Why?
Say no.
I have a popcorn. You will like this.
No. Say no.
Yeah? You like it?
Say no.
It's so yummy, Jolros.
Yeah. You say no. No.
Why?
I don't get a popcorn.
You don't want chocolate and
No.
popcorn?
No.
Okay, your turn. If I'm a stranger, what will you do, Julian? Hey, kid, I have a chocolate.
No.
You want this?
No.
You get it.
No.
Mommy, your mommy told me that I will give you chocolate.
No.
Oh, I have a pizza.
No.
I have balloon.
No.
Why you don't like?
Mama, a burger. No.
I'm gonna go near to you.
No.
I'm going near to you.
No.
I'm gonna grab your hand now.
No.
What will you do?
No.
The stranger is going near to you. What will you do? Run! Very good. I'm going with you now. I'm going near with you. Yeah, very good. You run and you yell. Say, help! Police! 911, okay?
Okay.
Do not ever grab a food from a stranger. Or if somebody that you don't know. If somebody you don't know, if someone you don't know gives you balloon, you have to run. If you don't know that people, that's called strangers, they will hurt you. And when you grab the food or chocolate or popcorn or pizza or balloon, they will grab your hand like this and they will eat your hand. Like the kid. It's just an example, don't cry. Jolros, if you grab a balloon with strangers, they will get your hand. Like this, kuya, example. Diba, you get the balloon and they will grab your hand like this and will eat like that. And they will eat your face also. So, no. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Do not cry. Kuya, I give you balloon. I'm just teaching you how to manage talking to stranger, okay? I'm a stranger.
Yeah.
Hi kid, I have a balloon.
No.
You want this?
No. Yeah.
Why?
A big balloon. No. Yeah, it's balloon. I got the balloon.
Oh no, you gonna get the balloon? Come on, Jolros.
He can fight you. No. Don't say say no. 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 No.
I have a chocolate.
What? Chocolate?
Oh, you gonna get the chocolate from a stranger, Joel Rose?
No.
I have a
Say
balloon,
no.
Joel Rose.
No.
What's your name?
Say no. Say no.
What's your name?
I don't. You said no.
Oh, you're Joel Rose?
Yeah, but
Oh, Joel Rose, I have a chocolate.
No. Say no. No.
I have a balloon. I have a watermelon.
Say no.
No? Why? Okay, Julian. I'm a stranger. Hi, kid. What's your name?
No.
No is your name?
No.
I know. I have a balloon.
You know the name.
Give me. Can you give me? I'm so hungry. Can you give me water?
No.
I am kind. You know, can you go in the house? Can you go in the house with me?
No.
Why? Because
No.
why?
Mommy.
Why you don't want to go in the house with me?
Mommy. It's finger.
Why? Because
Daddy's house.
okay, we're gonna go to your daddy's house.
No.
Come on, go with me.
No.
We're gonna go to your daddy's house.
No.
Why?
The biggest house.
What?
The biggest house.
Come on, we go to your mommy.
No.
We go to your mommy.
No.
I have a chocolate for you.
No.
I have a popcorn.
No. The mama popcorn and chocolate.
Okay, Joden, your turn. I'm a stranger, okay?
Okay.
Joden. No, I'm not. I don't know your name. Hi, kid. How are you? I have a balloon. I have a chocolate.
No. Nothing. Jordan.
I have a popcorn.
No.
You want the popcorn?
No.
I go near to you.
No. Stop.
I give you a chocolate.
I want ask your daddy.
I give you ice cream.
Ask your daddy.
I'm gonna go near with you.
Ask your daddy. Yeah.
I give you ice cream.
No.
What will you do?
Daddy. No. Run. I can tell you daddy. I run.
You're gonna go run if a stranger go near you?
Mommy. Mommy. I can tell
Because?
daddy.
Because if you grab the chocolate,
No.
they will grab your hand. Why are you crying? Hug each other. Hug each other. Can you hug each other? Hug each other. Hug each other. Hug each other. Hug each other. Okay. Pennywise will not get you. But can you sing There Once Was a Ship That Put to Sea Go?
I want Superman.
Oh, broken teeth.
Mother, I'm so angry. I
Why?
Because I'm so angry.
Stop it. Why you have broken teeth?
Mommy, because I broke my
What?
broken teeth.
What?
Yeah.
Jody has a broken teeth. Ah! Ouch!
Fired! 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 I got you! I got you!
Go!